Good morning, students. How are you? We were discussing about Ayodhya dispute, and today we will continue the same topic. What happened on 6th December 1992? Many organizations which were supporting the construction of the temple, Ram temple, they have organized Car Seva there. And BJP was also a part of there. The situation had become so tense all over the country, especially in Ayodhya. On 6th December 1992, thousands of people known as Car Seva, they gathered from different parts of the country in Ayodhya and they demolished the mosque. Before this, the Supreme Court has ordered the state government that the government should take care that the disputed site will not be endangered. But the government failed in this. At that time, students, BJP government under the chief ministership of Kalyan Singh was there in Uttar Pradesh. So, on 6 December 1992, Babri Masjid was demolished and India witnessed Hindu-Muslim riots in many parts of the country as the news of clashes between Hindus and Muslims spread. The violence in Mumbai erupted again in January 1993 and continued for over 2 weeks there. Mumbai violence was there. What happened after the demolition of Ayodhya, Babri Masjid? The center government has dismissed BJP government which was ruling in Uttar Pradesh. A case was registered against the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Why? Why the case was registered? Because Supreme Court has already ordered that the state must protect the disputed site and there should not be any danger. But Kalyan Singh's government ruling in Uttar Pradesh failed to protect that site, and because of this a case was registered against him. Central government appointed a commission to investigate the issue, what happened at that time. And students, during this period, community-based political parties became very much active in India. Now the communalism has started to enter in India. Most of political parties condemned the demolition and declared that this was against the principles of secularism. And a serious debate over secularism has started in India. And there was a big question which our country has faced. Already after partition, again the same question was faced in India. In 1984, when anti-Sikh riots were there in Delhi, again at that time communalism was active. So such type of incidents are a danger for secularism, for democracy in India, and such type of activities hinder the way of development of Indian democracy. That's all for today. Tomorrow we will discuss next development which happened in Indian politics in the decade of 1990s. Till then, goodbye.